When you think of Dubai, you think of skyscrapers, luxury and innovation. But did you know one of the world's biggest beauty brands was born right here? Come with me as I step into the beauty world of Cosmo Cosmetics, a Dubai-born beauty powerhouse and a sterling group that's made its way into 90 countries, 4,000 points of sale globally, and some of the biggest stores in the world, from Carrefour to Costco.
Cosmo is more personal care. So it's hair care, face care and body care. The reason of our product being accepted very well is a lot of research and development done behind this product. Very high quality products like serums, going with the market trends and developing them and making them available at an affordable pricing.
The scale at which Cosmo operates is nothing short of phenomenal. Their facilities span a whopping 6 lakh square feet spread across 4 ultra-modern manufacturing plants in the UAE. But beyond production, Cosmo is also about people. With a dedicated workforce of more than 300 employees, including over 30 women who recently joined the factory and warehouse teams, the brand continues to create jobs and opportunities while raising the bar for innovation. And the best part, every product is cruelty-free, ethically sourced, and undergoes rigorous quality testing. They don't just aim for global reach, they aim for global standards.
So our Cosmo brand is like an international brand, and as I said, it has to be available like the major hypermarkets, supermarkets in the Middle East and across the globe. We are in Carrefour, Lulu's, we are in Hyper Pandas, all the cash and carry, Tesco's, Walmart, wherever we are not, we'll be there soon, inshallah.
And it's absolutely mind-blowing to think that a bottle packed here in Dubai may find its home in Kenya, Canada, Korea, or even Kolkata. What sets Cosmo apart isn't just its scale, it's the value proposition. I have come to Cosmo's Experience Center right here in Dubai, and this is where the brand really comes alive. Come on in, let's check out some of their best-seller products. Every corner of the Experience Center is thoughtfully curated. You've got sections for skincare, haircare, wellness, and even specialized collections for kids and men. It's literally a one-stop shop for the whole family. Let's start with the basics. Cosmo Cosmetics isn't your average beauty label. It's a part of Powerhouse Sterling Perfume Group, and it has only one mission: making quality personal care products accessible to the world. From deep cleansing scrubs to refreshing hair serums, from aloe vera lotions to exotic body butters, Cosmo boasts over 2,000 unique products spread across 30 plus different personal care categories. That's everything your skin, hair and body could ask for. Wow, I just tried Cosmo Vitamin C Face Cream. It's so refreshing, non-greasy and smells amazing. It's not hard to see why Cosmo has such a loyal fan base. Definitely getting this one. Also, the next time you walk into a supermarket and spot a Cosmo product, know that you are looking at a true made in Dubai success story. With a global vision, local heart and passion for quality, Cosmo Cosmetics is redefining beauty from the UAE to the world.